Ever wondered if you could get your hands on software that lets you view and update your corporate database on the go from your mobile device? Synchronize your database wirelessly from any part of the world with your mobile devices like Android phone, tablet, iPhone and iPad with Celica Database Anywhere. All this in a secure manner with AES and SSL encryption. Begin by mapping your Android device with the desktop software. Refer to the instructions and enter one of IMEI, MEID, MAC address or UDID of iPhone or iPad based on the type of your device. Choose your device make, model and resolution. The Profile Manager lets you choose databases to sync with your device. Press the Add button and choose a database file to map it. Supported data formats are Access, Excel, FoxPro, DBase, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Sybase, Text, CSV and FileMaker Pro. Choose a database file to list its tables, views, queries and columns with standard filtering and sorting options. Store the database on the device's main memory or SD card. Once a profile is created successfully, it is listed in the Profile Manager. A key feature is the Form Manager. It lets you design data input forms that can be deployed on your mobile device, which you can use to feed data into the database from your mobile device. You have the ability to create a new custom form, import an existing form, and choose your preferred display orientation. The Form Manager lists all available form controls with the Form Designer and Properties panels. The available controls are Label, Text box, Checkbox, Combo box, Button, Date time, Radio button, Formula, Location, Unbound image, Grid, Shape control and Subform. It's simple to work with the Form Manager. Drag and drop a control onto the form to create it. Use the Properties panel to modify individual properties of the control, such as caption. Content type property of the text box control with QR code allows for the scanning of barcodes with a camera or external barcode scanner. Date fields can display just the date or include the time. It's straightforward to break large forms into multiple pages, with each page having its own logical group of form controls. Subforms lets you embed multiple forms within the same page. You can use them for describing relationships between tables, such as parent-child or master details. The grid control brings up a spreadsheet view, allowing you to map data sets to the grid view. Combo box can be used to maintain a list of values or to map a data source from a different profile. Images and digital signature can be added to the form as well, and they can be mapped to data sources as required. Once you are done, review the fields and specify default values for them as needed. The profiles and forms can be deployed to your device by syncing from device. Let's jump into the Celica Database Android app. You can synchronize all changes made on the desktop software to your device with a single operation known as syncing. Choose the menu option Sync on the Android device to transfer the custom form that you created on the desktop software onto your Android device. After successful sync, the profiles are listed under Profiles tab, and the form is listed under the Forms tab and is now available for use. Tap on the form to view or update existing data in the database. The form is split into multiple pages, organized in the device interface as tabs, such as Orders, Details, and Contact. The Details tab houses a grid control, which is on a subform, whereas the Orders tab is the main form. Recall that the pages and field sets are as designed using the desktop software's custom form designer. Standard navigation buttons First, Previous, Next, and Last enable you to traverse through all the records in the database. Use the powerful inbuilt search to find records that match a particular search keyword by part or whole. There is also multiple word search and date search. You can take search to a finer level by choosing which columns in the database to search on. Choose Select All if you wish to be column agnostic. A rather cool feature is the ability to scan and provide barcodes for your search input. Use the Edit option to update entries in the database. The Delete option removes a record from the database. The New option can be used to create a fresh entry in the database. Instead of providing text, you can scan a barcode using the Scan Barcode option. A QR code or product can be scanned, based on which the field's content is updated automatically. Image fields can also be populated using images that are captured on your device or images that are on your memory card. A very handy feature is the app's ability to handle signatures. Signatures can be captured on the go using the device's touch interface. Captured signatures are stored in the database and will be synced automatically to the desktop database. Use the Capture feature to take a screenshot of the contents of the current record. You can email the screenshot, save it to disk, or export it to the PDF format. The Profiles tab allows you to browse through records in the database in a tabular view as well as single record view. You can also use the Profile mode for data entry. All options are available, such as adding a new record, modifying an existing record, and deleting an existing record. The Search feature helps you perform a quick text search. You can work offline with your data on your device when the network is not available. Updates from your device can be submitted to the desktop database once the network is available. Celica Database Anywhere is the one-stop solution for mobilizing your corporate database on mobile devices such as Android phone, tablet, iPhone, and iPad.